Hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Random Video Thursday. Today's going to be another movie review. This one, Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. Now, I saw this movie for the first time a few weeks ago, and it is really funny. It has a great cast led by Gene Wilder as the title character, Willy Wonka, an eccentric but fun-loving man who is the owner of a chocolate factory. And pretty much the best thing about the movie is Gene Wilder as Willy Wonka. His performance as Wonka is the best thing about the movie. And there's a lot of great songs in the movie, especially the Candyman, and the song that the Oompa Loompas sing, the small orange workers in the factory. And the kids that Wonka takes on the tour of his factory, they all kind of have different personalities. Of course, there's Charlie, the only kid who's good. And then you got a heavy German boy. There's one kid with a cowboy hat who's kind of a spoiled brat. And then there's the girl who's very bratty, always demanding what she wants. And slowly but surely, Wonka teaches them a lesson in his own humorous way. And Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory, released in theaters June 30th, 1971. And it was a major box office success. And that's all for Random Video Thursday. As always, please remember to like this video, share, comment down below, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.